Okay, I've got several things to unbox today. I'm going to be starting with the Box of Dread, which just arrived for November. It feels awful light, which is one reason I'm starting with it. I've also got Nerd Block, but it's a lot heavier. So I'm going with Box of Dread first. The plain packaging here, of course. But it's what's inside that matters. If I can open it. What am I doing wrong here? Here we go. Oh. Okay, well I'm not disappointed, but the first thing I see is something I already have. I bought myself. It's a Cthulhu Funko Pop, but if Cthulhu's involved with the theme, that's pretty good. Let's see what else we get. So I now have two Cthulhu's and the glow-in-the-dark Cthulhu Funko Pops. It's just cool. It's cool. I just bought that one a few weeks ago. Okay, this is weird. I don't know what this is. It's in a box. Hope it's good because there's not much left. Oh wait, well first I've got oh, this is cool. It's a little key ring. Keep calm and Cthulhu Sagen. Which, if you don't know what that means, read your dadgum Lovecraft. What's wrong with you? Greatest horror writer to ever live. Yeah, I like that. It's pretty cool. What's in this paper? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. It was like it was wrapped around a cup or something. I really thought there was something in the paper. Okay, this looks pretty disappointing. But I have almost nothing left. I wonder if it was light. This looks like another Cthulhu. This is one of those peel and stick or something, or tattoo on. I don't know. You can't really see it. I mean, you can kind of see the figure there. I guess you like do something with that. Here we've got an autograph something. I don't really know who this person is. It looks like J. Popcan, but that's probably not his name. That's why this picture looks like. I'll have to look that up. Let's see if I can get into the poster. Maybe there'll be two. Or maybe not. Okay, so it's a Freddy poster. R.I.P. Wes. Is that what it says, I think? What does that mean? I hope I haven't missed out on some news here. Okay, let me pause. I gotta do some research here. Okay, I'm stunned and embarrassed here. How did I not know that Wes Craven had died? Died August 30th, 76 of brain cancer. So naturally this is a meaningful poster. I was afraid that's what this meant when it R.I.P. Wes. But, oh my God, I didn't know Wes Craven had died. I didn't know he was that old either. Well, that's awful. Well, now I'm really bummed. How had I not heard this? How had I not heard that Wes Craven, one of the greatest horror filmmakers of all time, had died? Ugh. Yeah, now I'm really bummed. I should have known that. but that's awful. Okay, this is actually a artwork of Gunnar Hansen by Lou Ruscani, even though the signature didn't really look like that, but it does have Ruscani on this other side. Lou Ruscani. Of course, Gunnar was the original Leatherface in Texas Chainsaw Massacre, who just recently passed away, so we have a tribute to him as well as Wes Craven in this box, so that's really nice.